yung Pilimania is a project under the Gaga GREET program. It means yung GREET, that means Winning Entrepreneurship, Environment, and Tourism Project. So this is one of our flagship projects that we have introduced 2 years ago. And the purpose of this is to plant at least 30,000 live pili trees. Ang kinaibahan ng Pilimania project sa ibang tree planting projects is that our main vision is to really assure the growth of trees at para mapakinabangan din yung mga economic benefits. Some of the salient objectives of Pilimania is to be able to plant at least 30,000 pili trees from June 17 to December 2020. And of course, we would like to encourage the growth of pili plantations sa our residential zones, sa mga barangays, sa mga subdivisions, sa urban poor communities, dun sa mga bakanting lote sa schools, and within CBD1 and CBD2's open spaces. We would also like to establish yung mga pili green spots so that these spots will be protected. We will be assured na lalaki at mamumuhay yung mga pili trees. Ang mga stakeholders dito, yung mga nagpa-participate are the 27 barangays of the city in cooperation with the non-government organizations, mga private organizations, and of course we also have people's organizations from the different barangays, and also the active participation of our national government agencies like the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources Office. We would like to teach the Negenios to take care and preserve the environment, and at the same time we able to reap the benefits of planting pili. Because as we know, pili is the one town, one product of the city. We have a large number of micro-entrepreneurs who are engaged in pili processing. And planting pili and assuring that these pili trees will grow will actually contribute to the economic benefits of the city. Knowing that when these trees have bear fruits already, matutulungan ito yung mga micro-entrepreneur na magkaroon ng murang source ng raw materials. Whereas at present, we are getting our pili supply from the different provinces of the region. Once na mamunga na yung ating mga pili, so malapit na yung source ng raw materials at magiging ready. So in turn, magiging kapag-kapag sa ating maliliit na negosyante. What's a good side of the project is, as of December this year, which is also the end of the project timeline, we are able to plant more than 30,000 pili trees at lahat ng ito ay buhay. So may mortality rate din siyang 6% plus, pero lahat ito na-replace na. So what's happy about it is that we have planted trees, but we have also assured ourselves na nabuhay itong mga punong kahoy. So that is Pilimania, a very simple project with a very significant contribution, especially